Bluey, Bingo, and Coco visit a beautiful flower garden. Wow, so many flowers. They sure are pretty. Look! Something is moving.
Ow!
Oh, these are ants. They are so strong. What is that buzzing sound? That's a bee. It makes honey. Wow! Wow! Look at it go! It is very busy. Hello, little bee. Wow, you are working so hard. A butterfly! A butterfly! Butterflies have colorful wings. Oh, they're so pretty. Look, it's going this way. Bye-bye, butterfly. Look, a ladybug. Look, it's gonna fly. Ladybugs have red wings with black spots. Wow! Oh, wow! Wow! A spider web! Spiders make webs to catch food. Oh, I see. They learn about many insects together. Insects are small but amazing. Oh, wow. Let's find more. Let's find more. The adventure continues in the garden. They had a fun and learning day together. Friends make every adventure better. A beautiful day in the garden comes to an end. Look, the forest. Let's go this way. Come on, Bingo. Let's keep going. Okay, I'm right behind you, Bluey.
I hear water. Let's go. Okay, I'm coming.
Wow, look at that! I want to get in. Me too. Let's go.
Woohoo! Yeah, Bluey! Yeah, Bluey!
Oh, wow! Gotcha! Hey, you soaked me. Oops. I got you. Oh, I'm all wet.
Look, Bingo! It's a fish!
Where?
Right there, swimming under the water.
Wow, a fish. Look at them all.
Wow! So many fish!
They're so colorful.
Bye-bye!
Look at those flowers.
Wow!
And the water sparkles. Let's go see. Okay, found a rock. It's so smooth. Wow. A crab. Look at him go. He's so fast. Watch out, he's waving. Hello, little crabby. Look at that little guy. Oh, wow. He's so tiny. It's moving so slowly. I know. Let's watch him go. Look how slowly it's moving. Wow. It's climbing up the rock. I think it's gonna make it. Whoa. What?
Whoa!
What was that?
Wow!
Wow!
Look how still he's sitting. Yeah, he's just watching the water go by.
Look, Bingo. A shrimp.
It's swimming so fast.
I see it. It's going that way. Oh, I see it too. Quick! Isn't this just the best place? It's so peaceful, and the water's so clear. I could stay here all day. Woohoo!
Catch! No fair!
I had so much fun today. Me too. Let's play again tomorrow.
Look at that flower!
Oh, it's so funny.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's keep going. Thanks for that amazing adventure, Bingo.
Yeah, Bluey. That was so much fun.
Oh, there's nothing in here. Huh? Where did all the food go? Bingo! Bingo! Bluey! Oh, I'm so glad to see you. You won't believe what happened. I saw a unicorn! A unicorn? Look, the Sunny Market!
Yay! Wow, super grocery. So many delicious things here.
Let's get some groceries! Wow, look at all the yummy food!
No!
Wow, look at all these apples! This one's perfect! Yummy! Check out these amazing bananas! They're the best in the shop!
Wow, they look delicious.
I know, give them a try!
Time to get some fruit. Oh, look at the big yellow apples. And the bananas. Let's put them in.
Too much power! Oh dear! Whoa, slow down! Catch that cart, Bingo! Oh no! Oh, we gotta clean this up! Yeah! Oh no! It's everywhere! Oh! Look at this mess! Oh! How did this happen?
Let's pick them up.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Watch out for that one. Almost done. Perfectly placed. Next stop, bananas. Hey, yeah. Look what we did. Wow.
Wow!
Perfect. The best shelves ever.
I'm so tired.
Need a break?
Just need to get this done. I'm ready, Bingo. Also.
I know, Bluey. You're gonna do great.
Good luck. Thanks.
Look at all this amazing fruit. We found everything on our list. Let's drink our water, Bluey. Okay now. Yum, so good. Yeah. Listen to this funny straw sound.
Mine makes a funny noise too. Look! I made bubbles. Bubbles are so fun. Bubbles are so fun.
Then Bluey and Bingo get a bubbly new idea. Let's make giant soap bubbles.
I'll get the red bucket.
Bingo fills the red bucket with water for their bubble mix.
Now we need lots of soap. Ooh.
It's getting super bubbly. Wow, look at all this foam. Everything is ready for the biggest bubbles ever. It worked.
I'm making lots of bubbles.
Wow.
And more bubbles.
Yeah! Soon the backyard fills with bubbles everywhere.
I'm gonna catch that one.
Let's make even more. The bubbles rise higher and higher into the air. Ooh!
They're going up to the sky. Wow, look at them all.
Soon the sky is filled with floating bubbles.
The whole sky is bubbly now. These butter mighty. It's like a bubble parade.
Bluey and Bingo watch their bubbly masterpiece drift overhead. Their bubbly game ends with the whole sky full of shining bubbles.
Woohoo! Look at me go! Whoa! Yeah!
Zoom, zoom. Woohoo! Go, Bluey!
I got this! Ah! Ooh! Ah! Ah! Watch this quick turn. Woohoo! Nailed it! Whoa! Oops! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Ow! Oh no! Are you okay? My knee hurts. Oh no!
What happened, Bluey?
Oh, my knee.
Don't worry, I'll take a look. Looks like it's just a little scrape.
You're all good. Thanks, Coco.
Ah, there it is. Just what I needed.
Let's see. Need to hurry.
I've got the first aid kit. Don't worry, I'm here. Here, I brought this for you. Thanks, Coco.
Look, a first aid kit. I wonder what's inside.
Wow!
I found a magnifying glass. Cool. Let's see here. Thanks, Coco. Just a little scrape.
Phew, thanks, Bluey.
Oh no. Let's see what we can find. Ah, perfect. Almost done, just a little press.
There you go. Thank you, Coco. Now I can play again.
Aga. Here, this will make you feel better. Thanks, I feel so much better now.
I'm ready to ride.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go do this. Yeah, come on.
I'm riding my skateboard slowly again. Hello there, friend.
I'm glad you're here. Thanks for helping me balance. No problem, we're almost there. Good, I'm feeling better already.
Wahoo! Look at you go!
Yeah, I'm doing it.
You're amazing!
Woohoo! I'm doing it! You've got it, Bluey. Keep going. Yeah, I'm gliding. Way to go. Watch me now. Be careful, honey. So proud of you. That's so funny. I know, right? Keep going. You're doing great.
Thanks, Coco. I'm almost there.
Yeah! You've got this, Bluey. Look what I found. I'm going swimming.
Woohoo! Let's go! Yeah! To the pool! Yeah! It's perfect. Let's do it.
Time to go to the beach.
Let's go swimming.
I'm ready.
I can't wait to swim. Me too. The water looks so warm. Let's go swimming.
Yeah, look at the waves.
Wait for me.
Wow, this is the best day ever. It sure is.
Look at that. Wow. Over here, hello. Let's go over there. Yay! Woohoo! Look at this splash.
Watch this. Splosh.
Let's splash. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Wow. That was fun. Let's do it again.
Let's make a big splash.
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
Let's go. Faster. We're here. That was fun. Look, there's the huts. Wow. Let's go.
I'm building a big sand tower. Look, all done. Wow.
Look what we made, Coco. Oh. It's the best sandcastle ever. Almost there. One more bucket. One more bucket. Hooray! It's finished. We did it. Ooh, what's this? A beautiful pink shell. Now, let's find more. Wow, look at this. It's so shiny. I found a treasure. Let's make it the best sandcastle ever. Look at the windows I made. Ooh, found a purple shell for the top. Perfect, we did it.
Ooh, wow, look at that castle.
It's perfect.
We did it. We did it. Look, a wave is coming.
Wow, it's a big one. Here it comes. Look at our amazing sandcastle. It's the bestest ever. Watch out. No, the wave. It's gonna hit. Oh, no. That was so much fun. Let's do it again tomorrow. Race you to the trees.
I'm almost there. Welcome, Bluey. Wow, this is amazing.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Looks like fun. Wow, look at the lake. It's so pretty.
It's so amazing here. Let's explore.
Time to set up camp. Oh, this spot is perfect. Let's put this inside. Coming right in. All right, time to set up camp and enjoy this view. Perfect spot.
All right, together now.
1, 2, 3, up it goes.
Almost got it. Great job, team.
I got this pole. Hold steady, Bluey. Nice job, Coco. Thanks, you too. We did it. Yes. All done. Now we can have some fun.
Gotta find a good one. Ah, there it is.
This one. And this one. Perfect. Look, a good stick. And a big branch over here. Let's take it back to the fire. I have enough wood. Good job, Coco. I've got one too. Isn't it just perfect? Oh, it's so cozy. I can't wait. Look at that sunset. It's so beautiful. camping. Me too, it's so cozy. This is the best. I think mine's ready. Mine too.
Oh, exciting! And then, as the moon rose, the mysterious bush monster appeared.
Oh, what did it do?
It gave us all
the biggest ever.
Fire, fire, bright and warm. Sing along, protect us from the storm. Isn't this just perfect? Look at the stars.
It's so peaceful.
Wow, look at our beds. Cozy night, Bluey. On a sunny day, Bluey and Bingo build a sandcastle by the beach. Let's make the tallest tower ever!
I'm digging a secret tunnel.
Oh,
Wait, I found something. Wow, what is it? Ah! Oh, maybe it's treasure. Wow, it really shines.
the shell makes them imagine a hidden treasure beneath the beach.
Dig faster, Bingo.
Whoa, I think I see it.
Keep digging, we're almost there. I hit something. Oh. You did? I think it's a treasure.
Instead of treasure coins, they uncover a clay pot from the sand. This looks old. Really old. Oh! Pogentating the faded. I think this is an ancient artifact.
We should take it to a museum. Wow! That's a great idea, Bingo. Yeah, a museum. There's something else down here. Oh, yeah!
Bingo! Oh, Bingo! Oh, Pia Dolly, this might be a dinosaur bone.
It is. Dinosaur bone.
Excited by their discoveries, the sisters rushed to tell Chili.
Mom, we found a dinosaur bone. It's so cool.
Wow, a real dinosaur bone. That's incredible. I think this is just a branch, not a dinosaur bone.
Oh, okay.
Okay, maybe not a dinosaur bone, but the pot still looks important.
I know. Let's keep it safe right here.
Soon they are happily building again.
It all started with this tiny shell.
Their beach day ends with laughter, imagination, and one very funny branch.
You can't catch me.
Oh, yes, I can.
Oh, yes, I can.
No way!
Catch you.
Race you to the bookshelf. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Let's play.
Okay, that's not good.
Oh!
What is that? I don't know.
You two need to learn that actions have consequences. Now look at this mess.
We're really sorry, Mom.
Yeah, so sorry. Race you outside.
I'm gonna win.
We made it! Yay! Wow, look at that! Should we go in? Look at the magic! It's so bright! We're inside it! This is amazing!
Wow, look at that giant flower. It's so big. Let's go see it.
Hold on tight. I can't. Watch out.
We're going down! Whoa! Whoops! Ha ha ha! That was close!
Wow, look at that giant flower. It's bigger than our house. Wow, it's huge. Let's touch it. Oops. It's moving. Look at it go. Follow it. Look at the water. Wow, it's so big. Let's play in it. Yeah. Let's go. Help. Hold on. I'm slipping. Grab my paw.
I can't!
Swim. Look, a dragonfly. It's coming down to us. Wow. Let's go for a ride. We're flying. Hooray. Look how high we are. Wow. It's so beautiful from here.
Wow, look at that garden! That was a long flight.
We made it.
Thanks, Mr. Dragonfly.
Quiet bingo. Tee hee hee. Shh. It's coming. Look, it's going. Yay! We did it. I think if we follow the hose. Yes, that leads to the tap. And the tap is near the house. Perfect, let's go. Look, Bluey, a giant leaf. It's bigger than us. We can use it like a parachute. Let's grab it. Wow, we're flying. Wow, we're tiny. Look at everything. Let's explore. Oh no, we're tiny. How do we fix this? Look, a glow. We're growing. We're back. Yeah!
All right, girls, what exciting game are we playing today?
We want to play Keepy Uppy.
Yes, Keepy Uppy! You both did a great job!
Yay!
Hooray! On a sunny day, Bluey and Coco go on a sea adventure.
Let's jump in. Yeah, let's jump. Ready, Bluey? Let's go.
They jump into the sparkling ocean.
They dive deep under the sea.
Yeah! Walk at the way.
Wow, look at the coral. The reef is full of colors. So many fish.
Yeah, look at them all.
Whoa. They're everywhere.
Let's follow them.
Soft jellyfish float around them.
They're glowing. Pretty cool, huh? A crab. A crab. Wow. Oh. Look at it go.
The crab scurries away.
Yay!
An octopus! That's so cool! The octopus swims away quickly. This is amazing! I know, look at the coral!
So fun! Fun!
They begin to swim back up.
Isn't it sick? That was awesome! That was awesome!
They return to the yacht happily. Let's go again someday. Let's go again someday. Yay! Best day ever! a wonderful ocean adventure comes to an end.
This strawberry juice is so yummy.
Ha, had baki, don't not spoppy. Bluey is very happy with her sweet drink. The glass does not break, but the strawberry juice spills all over the carpet.
Uh-oh. That's a really big mess. Bluey, are you okay? Sorry. It's okay, Bluey.
Bluey feels nervous when Bingo arrives. What happened here? Bingo did it!
I'm sorry, Mom. Feeling blamed, Bingo quietly goes back to her room. But I didn't do it!
At first, Bluey walks away as if everything is fine. That wasn't fair. Bluey decides to say sorry properly.
Bingo, I'm sorry. I spilled the strawberry juice, not you.
Thank you for telling the truth, Bluey.
Mom, I need to tell you something. I made the strawberry juice stain on the carpet and I blamed Bingo. I'm sorry.
I understand. Bluey chooses to fix her mistake herself. I can help too if you want. Working together makes things feel better. Thank you for being honest, Bluey.
Yeah.
Telling the truth, saying sorry, and making things right help everyone feel better again. One sunny day, Bluey receives a delicious pizza at the front door. Here's your pizza, Bluey. Wow, thank you. Yum! Yum! Pizza time! Pizza time! Bluey quickly brings the pizza inside. Wow! Wow! Pizza! They enjoy their tasty pizza together.
It's gone. Let's make more pizza!
They head to the kitchen to make their own pizza.
Whoa.
So much flour. They knead the dough together.
More toppings.
Soon, they make lots and lots of pizza. Careful, Bluey! Whoa! Careful, Bluey! They bring all the pizzas to the living room.
So yummy!
their tummies begin to grow. Hey!
I'm getting full. I'm getting full.
Me too. Me too.
They look at each other and realize something funny.
We ate too much. We ate too much. My tummy is huge. It really is. I don't think I can move.
Pizza boxes are everywhere!
Pizza boxes are everywhere.
That was fun.
It sure was. Bluey and Bingo had a very full and happy day. I'm almost there. Surf's up. Race you to the beach.
All right, but I've got this board.
No worries, you got this.
Let's do it! Last one in's a rotten egg. All right, time to catch some waves. Look at that big one, Bluey.
Look at the waves, Bingo. Come on, let's go surf. Look at those big waves. Let's go in. Oh, okay.
All right, time for some fun. Ready? Ready to surf. All right, time to catch some waves. Go get him, Bluey. Woohoo! Look at me go! Riding the big wave. Yeah, look at this. Stylish! Woohoo! Take that wave! Yeah!
I see one. A perfect wave. Come on, Red Board, let's go.
You've got it, Bingo. Just a little further. Look at me, Bluey. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Wow, look at that. Yes, I did it.
I got this! Whoa! Ah! Help me!
That's not funny.
Oops, need a hand?
All right, time to try again. Whoa! I got it! Yeah, I'm riding the wave. Woohoo! I'm doing it. Woo! Bingo! Bingo! Woohoo, Bingo! You're doing great! Yeah! Look at me, Bluey! I'm surfing! Yeah! This is amazing! Look at us, Bluey! We're shredding it! Woohoo! Yeah, we did it! High five! Surf's up, Bluey!
Doing it! Yeah! This is the best day ever! So proud of us! Yeah!
Let's get it! Yeah! Here we go! Woo! Look at this wave! Woohoo! Yeah! Look at that wave, Bingo! Amazing! We did it, Bluey! Yeah! This is amazing! Woohoo! We're doing it!
All right, here it goes. Careful now. Look, we did it. Yay! Look at all this space we have for our new garden. Oh, wow, I see it. We can plant so many things here. What do you think? Yeah, that's it. Let's do it.
Time to dig the biggest hole ever! Ooh, look at the big pile of dirt!
Okay, let's make a big hole. Yeah, a super big one. Perfect. We did it.
All right, slowly now. Got it, looks good. Just need some water. Perfect!
Keep it steady, Bing.
I am.
Perfect. Look at it. We did it.
All done.
We did it.
There, all watered.
Whoa, great job, Bill.
Great job, Bingo. We did it. Yay! Wow, look at our tree. It's growing so big. I'm so proud of us.
We did it. We did it. Yes. Let's go tell Dad.
Oh no, the leaves are all gone. What happened?
I don't know, Bluey.
We have to fix this.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, Operation Help the Apple Sapling is a go.
Look, the bird is flying. It's going up there. Wow. That's amazing. Oh, my apple tree.
It'll be okay, Bluey.
Let's fix it. We can make it better.
You can do it, Bluey. Plant the next one. Okay, Bingo, here it goes.
Together. Yes, we planted it. Now we water and watch it grow.
There, he'll keep the birds away.
Good job, Bluey.
Now our garden is safe.
Yay!
Keep watering. We'll have lots of yummy apples. Yeah!
Woo!
That's it. Yeah! Great job, kids.
Look at all these apples.
Wow. Wow. Oh, no.
We grew these.
Isn't it a perfect day? It's the best day ever. Look at the flowers. Wow. They're so pretty. Yep. I love it here. You can't catch me. Watch out. Here I come. We're spinning. Yay. Look, Bingo.
Wow, a big one. Thank you.
Remember planting this? It was so tiny.
I know. Look at it now. It's so big. Bluey is cleaning the room while Bingo relaxes with ice cream. This is a lot of work.
Yummy. Yummy.
At the table, something feels unfair.
You only this,
Bingo has a big plate of fruit. Bluey feels left out and sad.
I need some time alone.
Bluey leaves home. Where is Bluey? Where is Bluey?
Bingo starts to miss Bluey.
Bluey walks far from home.
I'm tired.
Bluey finds an old house. It feels cold and lonely.
I have to find Bluey.
Bingo searches everywhere.
Bluey? 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 I found you! Oh no, you did!
I'm sorry, Bluey.
I know.
I know.
This is for you! Thank you,
together. Best friends forever.
Everything is better when friends care for each other. Wow, this is amazing! Look at all the slides! This is gonna be so much fun! Let's go!
Wow, look at all the slides.
Let's go on that big blue one first. Yes, come on.
Hi, Bluey and Bingo. Coco, we're so glad you're here.
Let's go down the big slide first.
Okay, Kitty Cove first, then the slides, and finally, the lazy river. Right, gotta plan this right. Perfect, let's do this.
Okay, here's Kitty Cove. Oh, ooh, look at the lazy river. Let's go this way first.
Okay, plan B. We hit the slides first.
Good idea. Then the lazy river?
Perfect. Water blaster battle in the cave.
Yeah!
Let's do it.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna soak them all.
Keep it down. Got it. Oops, that's it.
Let's go. Ready? Spray time.
All right, time for a splash. Prepare for a soak. Take that. Got him. Woo! Yay! Yeah, take that. Whoa, so much water. We're soaked. This is so much fun. Woohoo! Let's sit here. Good idea. Okay, I'm exhausted. Time to relax.
Yes, perfect.
Let's go on the big slide now. Yeah!
I want the orange juice, please. Welcome to the Sunny Slushy Stop. What can I get for you today? Oh, I'll take a large orange one, please.
Mine is pink. Mine is pink. Cheers, mates.
Time for a refreshing drink.
Oh! Cheers to that.
Here you go, Bingo. Thanks, Bluey.
Thanks, Bluey.
Slurp, slurp. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. That was so funny. Yeah, I know. I can't believe it.
Isn't this park just the best today? I know. Look at all the fun. So many slides to try.
Bluey is playing in the park.
A treasure map. Yeah! Look at this. Let's go. Let's go. I'm coming too. Hooray, Coco. Coco. Hi, guys.
The adventure begins.
We can do it.
Woohoo!
Yeah! Yeah!
You can do it. You do it too. Just like that.
Yay! Yay! You did it! Good job!
They leap across the stream!
Woo! Hooray!
Yeah, we made it!
So sticky. Keep moving. They make it across the swamp. Yeah! Oh! This must be it. It's dark.
They move deeper into the cave.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow! We found it!
Run! Bluey runs with the treasure.
We made it! Wow, it's so pretty! It's so pretty! It's amazing!
Uh-huh.
Hey, this is yours.
Oh, for me?
Thank you, Bluey.
A great adventure ends with friendship.
Bluey and Bingo take a peaceful walk through the forest. Wow! Wow! Bingo, look! Something is glowing! Wow! What is it, Bluey?
Curious and excited, they run toward the light.
Oh,
What is that big white egg?
I don't know, Bingo. It's so bright. Maybe we should leave it here. Ah! I'm gonna touch it, Bingo. It's so cool! Let's take it home and see what happens.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
They bring the mysterious egg back home.
Let's keep it warm.
We need to take good care of it. We need to take good care of it.
They wait patiently for the egg to hatch.
It's moving. It's moving.
A baby dinosaur is born.
Hi, little one. Coo. Click. They take their new friend outside to play. Look at the playhouse. Let's swing. We can do both.
It's so fast.
Catch it. You're my new friend.
Let's share some cookies.
Yeah. Yummy cookies.
Ah,
This is the best. Oh.
so good.
Look at your face.
Look at your face.
You're a messy eater.
They share a warm and happy moment.
A magical day ends with friendship, laughter, and cookies.